Assalamu alaikum friends, Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, your wedding day is one of the most special moments of your life. Every details count. One of the most beautiful way to impress your guests and set the tone for your reception. It is which stunning table centerpiece today will share creative, elegant, and stylish wedding centerpiece ideas that will make your tables look stunning. Let's start with the classic floral centerpiece. Rose, lilies, tulips are perfect choice. Use elegant vase crystal balls or glass balls to hold your flowers. Mix heights, interest, and arrangement are preferred for a large table with low arrangement. Keep communications easy to intimate. For a romantic glow touch, try candlelight centerpiece. Use pillar candles, topper candles, or floating candles and place them on mirror tray around the candles with flowers or greenery for a soft, elegant look. This style is perfect for evening wedding as the flickering lights create a magical atmosphere. And weavers, you can use a small tree or branches and decorate it with flowers. Choose flowers that match your wedding colors. Put the tree in a pretty vase or pour this add high and beauty to your tables. Add small decoration like hanging crystal hearts or tiny lights. You can also hang small photos or notes from the tree for a personal touch. This makes your centerpiece fun and eye-catching. Warp the tree with fairy lights or place small candles around it. The lights make the centerpiece shine and feel romantic. It is perfect for evening wedding and river seasonal or themed trees. You can match the tree to the wedding theme. For spring, add pastel flowers. For autumn, use orange leaf or small pumpkins. For winter, add pinkons, crystal, or snow-like decoration. And viewers, mini flowers tree. Take a small trees or branches and put in a pretty vase or pot. Add flowers to the branches. You can choose flowers that match your wedding color. Rose, lilies, Fonsia look very nice. The tree add high and make your table look beautiful. You can also add some greenery and for extra charm. Hanging decoration tree. Next you can add hanging decoration. Hang small crystal heart or tiny lights from the branches. Another idea is to hang small notes, wishes, or photos. This make the tree personal and special. Your guests will love seeing their message or photos on the tree. And viewers, fairy lights and candle for a romantic look. Warp the trees with fairy lights. You can also place small candles around the base of the tree. The lights make the tree shine and create a soft magical glow. This is perfect for evening wedding. It's adding warmth and elegance to your table. Seasonal tree centerpiece. You can make your tree match the wedding season. In springs, add pastel flowers and soft colors. In summer, use bright flowers and green leaves. In autumn, add orange leaves, small pumpkins, and weavers. You can make your tree match the wedding season. In spring, add pastel flowers, colors. In summer, use bright flowers and green leaves. In autumn, add orange leaves, small pumpkins, or berries. In winter, add pinkons, white flowers, or tiny snowballs. Decoration seasonal trees.